Okay, it's IELTS speaking part 1, and I'm going to ask you some questions. Do you share things with others, or did you share anything with others recently?
Yes, last week I shared my PS4 console with my friend because I love to play Fortnite and Call of Duty on that. So to answer your question, I have shared my console with my friend.
Okay, did your parents teach you to share things when you were a child?
Yes, in my childhood they have taught me that sharing is caring, so that is why I always help others who are in need.
Okay, just try to add some more, and you're missing conclusion. There should be
Okay.
one sentence conclusion. So, when I was a child, my parents practically demonstrated me to share things with others. Or my parents gave me some practical examples to share things with others. Like that, okay? Okay, what kind of things do you like to share with others?
Well, it depends on the type of thing, such as my stuff or some belongings like my expensive watch, or other than that, my car. So I used to, so I usually share my these stuff with my friends and my relatives.
Okay, what kind of things are not suitable for sharing?
I think firstly I would say that it is something that is personal, like car or some clothes. So these type of things are not hygienic. So that is why. So to answer your question, I would say that these type of things that are very personal to the person. So I will not share these type of stuff.
Okay, this is good overall. It's fine. Keep it up like this, and always have this thing in mind. Answer the question directly, elaborate in 3-4
Conclusion.
sentences,
Okay.
and conclusion. Okay?
Okay.
Good job. Let's go on. Were you patient when you were child or when you were younger?
Yeah. As far as I know, when I used to be a child, like most of the children, I used to be really impatient. My parents told me that I used to be so stubborn, and I wanted everything of my choice. And
So to answer your question, in
I
my
used to be
childhood,
really impatient.
impatient. Very
Yeah.
good. How do you feel when other people are not patient?
Well, when other people are not, when other people's are
People
when other people
are not
impatient, it really feel bad. Like when you do something in hurry, you're not aware of the outcomes. When you do something in hurry, things go bad. Also, haste makes waste.
Okay.
And, yeah. To answer your question, when people do things in
When people are
when people do things in hurry, I really feel bad for
okay.
them.
Are you less or more patient as compared to the past? So, or are you less or more patient when you get angry?
Yes, well, I am a calm-minded person, and I don't really easily get angry. But whenever it happens, I try to make myself calm. I go silent, take a deep breath, and I try to stay calm whenever I get angry.
Good, very good. Overall, it's fine.
Yeah.
Keep it up like this. Your accent is good. Fluency is fine. That's gonna be good. Thank you very much.